Hey, it's Greg here from AEMC Instruments. You know, fighting for space inside of electrical panels can cause unwanted frustration, cluttered workspaces, and just disorganization in general. Luckily, you've just found the solution, the Digital FlexProbe series from AEMC Instruments. These compact, flexible current probes are designed to measure true RMS AC current safely and accurately, even where traditional clamps won't fit. There are two models in the series, the 400D, which is ideal for residential, commercial, and maybe light industrial work, and the 4000D, designed for high-powered industrial installations. The 400D handles measurements from 20 milliamps to 400 amps and comes with either a 10 or a 24-inch sensor. The 4000D takes it up a notch, measuring 200 milliamps to 4000 amps with a 14 or 24-inch flexible sensor, which is perfect for large conductor and parallel feeders. Each sensor is built to flex around the cables and bus bars, making it easier to measure current in even the most confined spaces. Operation is very simple. Just two buttons let you power it on, hold the reading, or use the max hold feature to capture peak values. And with its auto-ranging bright 4000 count LCD, everything you need to start testing is right in your hand. And it's even glove-friendly. The ergonomics keep it comfortable in your hand even on long jobs when wearing PPE. So what makes these probes so versatile? Let's take a look at some of the specs that make the 400D and the 4000D stand out in the field. Measurements to 4000 amps, flexible sensor lengths of 10, 14, and 24 inches, and a resolution down to 1 milliamp, the bandwidth of 10 Hz to 3 kHz, and a safety rating of 600 volts Cat4. Rugged, accurate, and incredibly easy to use, the Digital FlexProbes from AEMC Instruments help you conquer every current measurement in any space you could find.